Next our topic is motors. A motor can be DC, direct current controller, or AC, alternating current controlled. Input output modules are readily available to receive the control digit inputs in the form of ones and zeros and delivers high currents. So by using these motors we can generate a DC current as well as AC current. Based on your input and output modules available, it can receive the digital input in the form of ones and zeros and delivers high currents. The DC or AC rotates the motors. By using this direct current or alternative current, we can rotate the motor. A cam also converts rotator motion into linear motion when it rotates using a motor. Also, a cam converts the rotator motion into linear motion. Rotator motion transform into a linear motion when it rotates using a motor. Whenever we are using a motor, we can convert the motor movements from different motion into linear motion. Next our topic is a servo motor. Servo motor is a geared DC motor for applications such as robotics. So these motors are used in the robotics. It uses geared DC motors. Servo motors are geared. It consists of gears. Based on that gears, it acts as a direct current motors of an application such as robotics. It rotates the shaft or a motor. It also rotates the shaft or a motor. It directly rotates the shaft of a motor. The shaft of the motor can be controlled and positioned or rotated through 180 degrees or 90 degrees. Suppose if you are using the JCB possesses some gears, mechanized gears. Based on that mechanized gears, that shaft is moving. In the same sense, if you are using the same shaft in your robotics, by using this robotics, application can be turned any function in the form of 180 degrees or 90 degrees. So the second point says the same thing. The shaft of the motor can be controlled. Whatever the shaft of the motor can be controlled and positioned or rotated through 180 degrees plus 90 degree respectively. The shaft angular position is controlled through 180 degree between minus 90 degree and 190 degree. If you are using the shaft angular positions, we can rotate it by 180 degrees either between from minus 90 degrees to positive 90 degrees. So totally 180 degree it can support.